Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Janavi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Currently I am studying in second semester, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this session, we are going to discuss the subject is Introduction to Python Programming. Here the topic is Introduction to Functions, an overview of functions as reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks, improving code and organization and readability. Introduction. Functions are usable blocks of code that perform specific tasks in Python. They allow you to organize your code and make it more modular. Functions can be called multiple times from different parts of your program. Defining a function. To define a function, use the keyword def followed by the function name and parentheses. The parentheses can contain input parameters if needed. The code blocks of function is indented and typically start with a doctoring explaining the function purpose. Def keyword, function name, function arguments inside, colon ends with function definition, function code, function return statement. Function parameters. Parameters are variables that allow you to pass values into function. They provide flexibility and allow functions to be reused with different input values. Parameters are edited within parameter of the function definition. Here the example is void function int argument vector int vector int main vector int value is equal to 90 function value vector return 0. Here the parameter type is int and vector. Parameter name is argument and vector. Value and vector are the argument name. Return statement. The return statement allows a function to send a value back to the caller. It terminates the function execution and return the specific value. Functions can have multiple return statements but only one will be executed. Here the example. Calling a function. To call a function, simply use the function name followed by parentheses. If the function has parameters, provide the required values within the parameters. The function will be executed, perform its task and return a value if specified. Function call example. Let x, 2, lambda, z and x. Let x by function call f length x. Evaluate E0, E1, save environment, extend environment with actual, evaluate body, result 2, restore environment, result 2. Function scope. Variables defined inside a function have local scope and can only be accessed with the function. Variables defined outside function have global scope and can be accessed from any part of the program. The local variables take precedence over a global variables with the same name. Here variable y is equal to 3, function a, variable x is equal to 2, function b, return x into y, return b. Function scope x into y. Parent scope. Function scope x is equal to 2. Parent scope module scope y is equal to 3. Default parameters. Function can have a default values for parameters. If a parameter is not provided when calling the functions, it will use the default value. Default parameters allow for more flexible function calls. Here the program is def allow name, print allow name, function call hello Alice, hello Alison, hello Jean. Here the output is hello Alice, hello Alison, hello Jean. Keyword arguments. Python allows passing arguments to functions using the parameter name. This allows you to pass arguments in any order as long as you specify the parameter's name. Keyword arguments make function call more readable and self-explanatory. Here the program is def student, enough, roll number, name, date and year. Print f roll number, print student name, print f department, print year of the study, year. Student information, name is equal to Rama, depth is equal to CSE, roll number is equal to 111, year 4. Here the output is roll number is equal to 111, student name Rama, department CSE, year of study 4. Process finished with exist code 0. Recursive functions. Recursive functions are functions that call themselves. They allow for solving complex problems by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Recursive functions must have a base case to prevent infinite recursion. Here the recursive functions, int recursion x, if x is equal to 0, return recursion x minus 1. Lambda functions, also known as anonymous function, are defined without a name. They are often used for simple one-line operations. Lambda functions can be assigned to variables or used as arguments in higher order function. Here f is equal to lambda a star a. Here the f is the function object that accepts and stores the result of the expression. Here the lambda is keyword, a is argument, a star a one-line expression. Built-in functions. Python provides a wide range of built-in functions that are readily available for use. Examples include print, length, range, maximum. These functions save time and effort by providing ready-made solutions for common tasks. Custom modules and libraries. Functions can be organized into custom modules and libraries for reusability. Modules and files containing Python code and libraries are collection of modules. Custom modules and libraries can be imported into other programs to use the function they contain. Modules in Python, built-in modules, user-defined modules. Exception handling in functions. Functions can be handled exceptions using try except blocks. This allows for graceful handling of error and prevent program crashes. Expression handling in function enhance the robustness of your code. Here the example. The next topic is testing and debugging. Testing and debugging functions. Functions can be tested independently to ensure they perform as expected. Debugging functions involves identifying and fixing errors or unexpected behaviors. Unit testing frameworks like PyTest can be used to automate the testing process. Benefits of using functions. Functions promote code reusability and modularity. They enhance code organization and readability. Functions allow for easier debugging and maintenance of code. Finally, we move to the conclusion. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks in Python. They provide modularity, reusability, and code organization. Functions are fundamental concept in programming and essential for developing complex applications. Thank you to all for watching this video.